Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new tutorial series. Already we have completed many software related and also basic knowledge about civil engineering related tutorial series, and I have already discussed about some important software like ETABS, Tekla, three types of Tekla software: Tekla Connection Designer, and Tekla Portal Frame, and Tekla Structural Designer. After that, Estate Foundation, then Estate Pro, so AutoCAD, and SDSM statistical downscaling model. So actually I have completed many types of tutorial series, and also have completed IES quick suite. By using that tools we can design any element of the structure very quickly. So after that I am just going to start SAFE 2016 tutorial series, CSI SAFE 2016 version. So if you're new to our channel, like us, share our video, and also subscribe to our channel and also support us. So let's start. So first of all, I will open our software. Here is our software, SAFE 2016. So here is our software, and that software download and installation link are given in description, so you can watch that from here, and you can download that software properly. Now first of all, I'll just give you some basic instruction and basic I'll discuss about some basic I'll just introduce the software, and if you know about that software previously, then good, and if you're new to here, then let's learn about that. First of all, this is our quick access tools. So by using that tools, we'll use our software. We will draw our beam, also column, also slab, foundation, etc. So actually by using that SAFE software we can work, we can design our slab, we can design any kinds of foundation, right? With slab, any kinds of slab and any kinds of foundation we can design by using that software. We can design and analysis. So I will try to show you about everything now. And here is our editing and many other tools that we'll use everything when we'll work. Okay, after that, here our main menu bar. So from here also we'll use our work, what we have worked in previous. Suppose by using that option, open new model, then from here new model from existing file. Suppose we have a existing file, and from there we can open our model. After that, open. So this is the open folder. Suppose we have already completed a work and we want to here so here already we have completed a work and we want to reopen that. So by clicking that option we will be able to reopen it. Then here is import option. Okay, so suppose if you have already file that you have created by using different types of software like ETABS or any other software, however, so Revit, this is the Revit file. Okay, this is the AutoCAD file, Excel file. So we can import that, and from here also we can export that file to other software. So I think it's clear to you about that. And now I will just show you that how we'll open a new model actually. So to open a new model, we have to click here, new model. Just see here is the new model. Otherwise click here, file, then here new model. Otherwise you can press Ctrl plus Ctrl N. Okay, so I will just click here, new model, and here see that here is our option. Actually what is that? here. And just one thing I am telling you, please continue from beginning. I'll request you to continue from beginning, because I will define every materials, every properties that are required for our work purpose till end. I will define from beginning. Okay, I'll define everything, and I will not come, in every project I will not start from beginning, because if I try to do that, then my video will be very lengthy, and I think it's very irritative for us. So first of all, here this is the main work we have to done. This is the design code. Okay, this is design code. So with which code will work? So from here you can select any of your code. Here is the IS code, the Hong Kong code. Okay, then Euro code, CSI code, then AS code, BS code, British standard. Okay, then Italian code. They have many code actually. So there's the ACI. Actually I always prefer ACI. Okay, so I will use ACI 14 318 14. Now design preferences. Okay, preferences. So what is the design preferences? Actually just click here. Now here you are seeing that this is the design code. Okay, this is our design code. After that, here is the resistance factor. Here is the resistance factor, is the phi tension control. This is the resistance factor, phi tension control, then phi compression control, then phi shear. Okay, phi for shear. After that, this is the minimum cover slab. Okay, minimum cover slab. So and here you will be able to change that. Suppose if we design for slab, then our minimum cover is 0.75 0.75 as per ACI code. Okay, and here preferred bar size. What will be the preferred bar size in our slab actually? So I will just consider our bar size will be number 3 bar, 10 mm bar. Then this is the inner slab river layer. So from here you can change that. I will get it, I will take it default. Then post tensioning will not work with post tensioning at now. Then minimum reinforcing, will consider our reinforcement as 2-way slab, and also you can select that as a 1-way. Then minimum beam cover. So from here actually you can also select your beam cover. Then post tensioning beam cover. Then here P or T stress check. Okay, so from here actually you can select what you need. I will not work anything here, so I'll just click here. Okay, after that here project information. This is the project information. So from here actually you can give anything. Suppose as the client name, for which person you are working, then project name, the project number, then company name, engineer name, checker name, who have checked that design is it okay or not, then supervisor name, then more information, model name, model description, revision number, issue number. So from here you can give anything actually according to your requirement. So I'm not giving anything because I'm not working for any project, so I'll not give anything here. Then press OK. After that we'll go here unit. This is the most important thing, unit. So from here just click, and after here come here at which unit you want to work. I always prefer work in US default. Okay, also you can set here matrix unit, right? You can set here matrix unit. So and if you set here matrix unit, then press OK. After that again go here design preferences, then cover. So here just see here that everything have changed. It have come in millimeter, and then this is the clear cover, this is the bar size. Okay, preferred bar size also, this is the 10. So like that you can change it actually. So this is the bar size 10 and minimum clear cover 15. So like that you can change it. So press OK. So our every work have complete. Now we'll go here we'll go for our first of all I'll just go blank. Okay, as actually here given the initial model type. Suppose if you want to work as single footing, then combined footing, then basement, two-way slab. Here is the two-way slab, then flat slab. This is the flat slab premier beams, okay, flat slab with side beam, okay, like that. After that, grid only, and then WFL slab. So they have many things actually, okay, they have many things actually. So first of all, I will simply go here blank, because I am going to start from initial position, so that's why I will go here blank. So when you'll come here blank, just see here, this is our blank face, and now here every elements are okay to work here, okay. So we can use every element here now, and this is okay also, right? And here just see here every element are now working. So I think it's clear to you that how will initially start, and I just discuss about everything at basic level. So from our next video, I'll just start working our I will start doing our work. So thank you very much, and if you think that that's helpful for you, then S2 with us, and also like our video, share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a civil engineer. And also you are as you are seeing that video, that means you are a civil engineer, and I will request you subscribe to our channel and support us. So thank you very much.